Mario 3! Y'all remember that game when y'all was growing up? Still one of my favorites. I'm a Nintendo kind of guy in that Super Mario Kart. Yes. So, just want to say hello. It's time to start this show. I needed to do some things, and I said, you know what? Let's make a video. It's a Sunday anyway. Let's do a present day video real quick. So here we go. Let's start this show. Drop that. I don't know if I just say be the bear, but yeah, drop that. Yeah, dirty. But I'm out here working, y'all. I done been on Ropes, I've been on Dorshas, I've been on Odoms, I've been on a few people's channel, and it's time for me to get mine in real quick. This is a present day video, basically. I got, I finally planted it in. Wow. I just been talking. I had a topic, I had a funny carrot that y'all didn't get to see. Oh, okay then. They're a little bigger. Yeah, they're a little bigger with it. I just didn't give them enough time, so, you know, that's how that went. Then I got the radio on. Yeah, I'm just, you know, today's my day off, so just getting it in. Oh, okay then. Now, I ain't mad, you know what I'm saying? So that's for me. Let me see if I can snatch up some of those. Okay, look. Yeah. Started them late and I got enough carrots to make me a little thing tomorrow. Oh. Yeah. Guess I got something for me and my chickens. Yeah. So I decided that for these root vegetables that I let get wet, I'm gonna put this potato in there. Yeah. So this potato was found in the other bucket that I have. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in there. It's not a lot of soil in there, but yeah, I'm gonna just drop that in the middle. See if I, you know, we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna do these onions and stuff. Alright, I just want to let y'all know real quick. Okay, I'm just gonna throw a little light little layer on top. You see, this is gonna sit outside of the greenhouses. They're just gonna sit there. I mean, the grow tents. Alright, y'all. I know my memory messed up. Alright, y'all. GT out. Let's get a picture of Ashy. That girl. Not as strong, but yeah. Alright, y'all. And this is just bone meal. It takes bone meal months to break down. I think it's 6 to 12 months. I can't remember. But yeah, I'm just sprinkling this. It won't be available for the end until the end. But yeah, we're gonna put it on top, and this soil is already pretty kosher, so we're gonna just put the thing on there real quick, and we're gonna biz ounce with it. These are the carrots that I harvested for myself. Nice little snack bag I can make out of that. And this is what I harvested for my chickens. Pretty impressive. So I ran into a dilemma. Some kind of way, these got wet. So bunching on onion. I'm doing this as a reference. Tokyo long white, the white Lisbon bunching, and this onion right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and drop these. These free seeds, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop these in here too. Oh my goodness, look how ashy my hands are. Oh my goodness, the attack of the ashy hands on the free seeds. Run, run! So I need to restart these. Just something I did. So do the best that I can to replant these. With ginger and turmeric. Yeah, so I need to just put this back where it was.